I've been fishing like all day, and these spots are hard to fish because they're fished out. They're just fished out. But let me show you this trout. All right, buddy, let's go catch some fish. Why? The fly pole, baby. Gonna go do a little bit of both. Bring me a spinner rod and fly pole. Man, it's a mess. Where do you think we should fish, bud? Some big holes over here. All right, we're gonna see if they'll spot anything above this. A lot of times the fish are hanging out right before the water goes down, like through a little section. This is more of like a spinner section. I just threw my line right over there. A little tiny fish hooked up onto it, but it let it go. I think there might be some bigger ones over here. All right, this hole has to have something in it. There's a pretty good trail down here though, so these fish are probably seasoned veterans. Well, I don't know. I don't know if these fish are gonna bite. This is a pretty big hole, and I think a lot of people have hit this section. My flies are not gonna go down deep enough to like pull them up. I also think I need something bigger for them to see, like a grasshopper. I just haven't had any luck with grasshoppers. I've had like one strike. All right, here is the test. Let me throw my spinner out. See if I can get something. I know there's some fish here. You know, a lot of people catch and release, so even if they were caught, they've been released. But the thing is those catch fish, they are smart. They don't go, they learn. There's something here. Caught the tiniest trout. Nice German brown. And in a second, I'll show you where I caught him. Come on, buddy. That was a German brown cutthroat. It had an orange underneath its chin. So he crossbred, the mom crossbred with a cutthroat. Yeah, but I threw the lure right over there in a small pocket, calm pocket with a rock. If there's no big fish biting, this place is fished out. You gotta go real slow. Otherwise it doesn't go down deep enough. That's the reason why flies don't work right now, is because you can't get it down deep enough where they are. This is crazy. I put the biggest Panther Martin I had, and a tiny little fish bit it. Dude, what is up with all these small fish? Nice little cutthroat. All right, at a new spot, trying this little streamer. I just need something bigger. Try to get some big fish, you know. So I fell in the water a little bit because I'm way out here in the middle of the river. Trying to get a fish to bite my streamer. Seems like a really good spot behind this rock, and I got all the way out here. It should be really visible way down there. I didn't get nothing. I tried this little pool right here. I mean, maybe I didn't get it deep enough, but. All right, so I got my lure stuck on a log halfway across this river. So I basically walked across, and then I was just like looking at these trees way across, like a little tiny pocket, but slow moving water right behind a rock. And then I was like, I gotta get my lure there. So I freaking threw it, missed this exact spot the first time. And then the second time, it hit the rock and landed into the water right where I needed it to hit. It was epic. And then, bam, as soon as it freaking hit the water, got a big bite. And so I got the fish right now on the lure. I'm gonna get him with my, my net. And I think he's decent, he's pretty big. I have him behind a rock right now, so he's chilling. He's not pulling, trying to go anywhere. But I'm gonna get him with the net right now. He's pretty big. Oh, dude, I've been fishing like all day, and these spots are hard to fish because they're fished out. They're just fished out. But let me show you this trout. Massive German brown. It's so big. That's the. He's gonna get off of this thing. So I'm probably gonna keep them, eat them. I had one last night. Oh my gosh, it was delicious. Some eggs and German brown. Oh, so freaking good. And this one's good enough for eating. I'm just gonna pull his gills. And I really worked hard for this fish. I like to eat off the land because it's just healthy. I'll release it if it's like a trophy trout, like something like freaking 25 inches or something, you know, it's been around forever. But yeah, I had to take my GoPro off because I was like, I'm just gonna go swimming. So I wanted to get this lure. I went to go get this lure, and then the lure freaking caught me a big fish. Right now, the flies don't seem to be working, so I figured I'd show again how I clean these fish up. You just cut up from their butt here, up right to their fins. Don't go too higher. You want to stop about like right there. And then you're gonna grab this section right here, hold their head, or you can hold down here, or actually wherever is best. Grab it all, and the purpose is to get these fins out too. Man, this one has nice orange meat. So, looks like that afterward, no front fins. I'm gonna de-skin it, so now I'm gonna take the blood vein out with my finger. Just go down like this. So it's not necessary, but I find that it makes it a lot easier. So just make a little slit around this little fin on the bottom, on both sides, so the skin comes off real easy. And then you can also do it on the top too. I normally don't do it on this one because, yeah, I don't need to do it. I'll just show you. but it does get stuck on there. So it's cleaned out really nice. You just grab his head like this, pull it back, and push with your left hand. And the skin will come right off. And sometimes it kind of takes the belly fat with it, so if you kind of just push your finger on it and then slide it down, it'll preserve that little belly fat. Halfway done there. This one, the fin's coming out with it. That's different. Oh, my GoPro just fell down. Stay there. Okay, if it's still rolling. So yeah, it looks like that after you pull the front portion of the fish's skin off, and then just grab it and pull the rest. You can cut it off right there, but it'll pop all the way off. Take your knife, cut the tail off. Now you can season it both sides. It tastes amazing like this. And then it doesn't make your pan smell like fish forever. It literally has like no fishiness to it anymore. Just pure meat. Also, when you season it, you season both sides, you're able to blacken the meat because the skin's off of it. Normally you would take the skin off after you cook it. I find this way to be the best, and it doesn't make anything fishy. It doesn't make your fridge fishy if you store them in there for a couple days. Yeah, it doesn't make the bag fishy. Buddy, we're gonna make our way across this river. I know it's pretty deep, moving kind of fast. Buddy's probably gonna get swept down a little bit, but he's pretty good. He's like really good. So on the other side of this river, there's a section of the river I want to get to that I want to fish. I probably, you know, a lot less people have fished it, so I'm gonna go over there. Me and Buddy are gonna cross. You ready, buddy? Come on, buddy. Just swim across, buddy. You got this. Go that way, buddy. Go down. Yeah, buddy. Good job. Good boy. Go that way, buddy. Go down. Go down, buddy. Oh no, he's going over the falls. You got this, buddy. Don't die. And that's how you teach your dogs to cross rivers. Just stay calm so they stay calm. And do little rivers and then start out with bigger rivers, you know, or start out with little ones, work your way up. Hey, was that torture? Did I torture you? No. Okay, let's go see if there's any fish here. A little fish out here. It's nice to catch something though. It's really right next to the road. I bet it's a German brown. No, it's a rainbow. And the rainbows are more rare up here than German browns, which is crazy. Buddy's such a good boy. Crossing this big creek right here. He's gonna come across with me, aren't you, boy? Let's go, buddy. He gets to the point where he can't touch, and then he gets pushed downstream like that. Yeah, buddy, come on. I'm getting swept down too. Good boy, buddy. Oh, big rocks. I made it. You got this, buddy. Woo! You made it. You survived. Oh, I love it when your dog follows you anywhere. Hey, you made it. Yes, you did. You made it, buddy. Woohoo! All right, catch you later.